Welcome to my cozy quarters here. Wow, great win for the program. Really great win for the program. We've talked to our players all week about the score when we've played up here the last 3 years, which was 104 to 39 or something like that. And I keep hearing South Florida has never won at Louisville. A lot of challenges that we put on this team. This team worked extremely hard all week. I thought they really handled some adversity. We had a little bit of plane problems last night. We got into the hotel at about 10:30, kind of had our meetings, tried to get everything done. Knew we had an early wake-up call this morning, had to get going. You almost felt like we went from Thursday to they were putting the ball on the tee, and it was like, slow down. I mean, it's happening. It's going too fast. But boy, these guys handled, you know what, it shows their maturity. They kind of handled the adjustment extremely well, and I thought they really came out and they played together as a team. I give Charlie Strong, Vance Bedford, I give this staff, Louisville staff, an awful lot of credit. They have got a very mature football team with all the seniors and the upperclassmen they have. But boy, they're playing well. They're really playing well. I thought they had a good game plan with what they were doing defensively, bringing a lot of pressure, doing some of those type of things. And at the end of the day, I think this one came down to just a total team win. We could talk about B.J. Daniels' throw to Dontavia Bogan and the phenomenal catch he made in the goal line there on the deep ball. We could talk about Lindsey Lamar's probably one of the more impressive 100-yard kick returns you're going to see with the job that he did hitting it up the middle. You could talk about a defense coming up with a 4th-and-inch stop in overtime, which was just absolutely huge. And I know statistically this game wasn't pretty. 3rd down, we weren't very good. We kept having to punt the ball. We didn't punt it as well as we wanted. We didn't execute as an offense as well as we wanted. We let them run the ball too much, where Powell goes for 31 carries for 150 yards. You can look at all those things as negatives to say, wow. But I'll tell you what they did. They believed, they competed, they encouraged each other. It was a great team win, and I'm just really proud of these players and the mindset they have and the togetherness in that locker room, the smiles on their face.